All right, welcome. Today, we are going to master a skill that, trust me, every single Chromebook user needs to know inside and out. How to take the perfect screenshot. I'm talking about saving receipts, grabbing hilarious memes, or even getting some much-needed tech support. By the end of this, you're going to be a total pro.
I mean, let's be real for a second. You've totally been there, right? You see that weird error message pop up or a super funny chat you just have to share, or maybe a receipt you need to keep? Grabbing a quick snapshot of your screen? It's the easiest way to freeze that moment in time. It's a fundamental skill, and the good news is, on a Chromebook, it's ridiculously easy.
So, here's the game plan for today. We'll start with why you'd even want to do this. Then we'll jump into the super fast keyboard shortcuts, check out the all-in-one capture tool, cover how to do it on any device, and finally, figure out where all your screenshots go. And then we'll wrap it all up. Sound good? Let's dive in. All right, first things first. Why even bother capturing your screen? Well, it's the absolute best way to save important info fast. Think about sharing ideas with your team, or making a quick tutorial for someone. Or, when you're trying to get tech support, showing them exactly what's on your screen is a lifesaver. It's a core part of how we communicate online.
Okay, let's get into the fast stuff. Keyboard shortcuts. Seriously, when you need a screenshot like right now, these are going to be your absolute best friend. We're talking no menus, no clicking around, just bam, a key press, and you've got it.
Now, the hero of this whole operation is one special key, the Show Windows key. Go ahead, look at the top row of your keyboard, where the F keys would normally be on another computer. You're looking for this little icon. It's like a rectangle with two lines right next to it. Found it? Good. That's your magic button for everything we're about to do.
So here are your three main moves. For the whole screen, everything you see, just hold down Control and tap that Show Windows key. Easy. Now, what if you only want a little piece of the screen? Just add Shift to that combo. Control plus Shift plus Show Windows. And if you want to capture just the one window you're working in and nothing else, you'll use Control plus Alt plus Show Windows.
Okay, let's break down that partial screenshot, because honestly, this is the one I use all the time. So you press Control, Shift, and that Show Windows key all together. You'll see your screen dim a little bit, and your cursor, it's going to change into a little crosshair. Now for the fun part, just click and drag a box over the exact area you want to capture. As soon as you let go of the mouse button, boom, screenshot taken. It's that simple.
So the keyboard shortcuts are awesome, right? Super fast. But what if you need a little more control? Or what if you don't want a picture at all, but you want to record a video of what you're doing? Well, guess what? Your Chromebook has you covered there too.
And that brings us to the main event, the all-in-one capture tool. I like to call this your screenshot powerhouse because it gives you a nice visual menu and, crucially, the power to record video.
Getting to this thing is dead simple. Just head down to the bottom right corner of your screen and click on the time. That opens up your quick settings. Look for the icon that says Screen Capture. Give it a click, and you're ready to go. The second you click that, a little toolbar is going to pop up right at the bottom of your screen. This is your command center. From here, you can pick if you want the full screen, just a part of it, or a specific window. And right there, you'll see the switch to flip between taking a screenshot and recording your screen. So cool.
Okay, but what if you're not on a standard laptop? I see you, tablet users, and you folks with the external keyboards. Don't worry, there's a way for you too. It's just a little bit different.
So if you've got a Chromebook tablet, you're going to do it just like you do on your phone. Just press the power button and the volume down button at the exact same time. You'll hear that little click, and you're golden. Now, for those of you with an external keyboard that's missing that Show Windows key, no problem. Just use Control plus Shift plus F5. That'll bring up the exact same powerful screen capture tool we just talked about. All right, you've been taking screenshots left and right. You're a capturing machine. But now for the million-dollar question, where do they all go? Let's go find them.
Okay, so the main spot, the default home for every single screenshot you take is your Downloads folder. Simple as that. But for the ones you just took, look for a little thing on your shelf called the tote. It holds your most recent files for super quick access. And of course, you can always open up the Files app to see everything in your Downloads folder. And just a couple of quick, handy things to know about these files. They're saved as PNGs, which is a really good image format. Also, check this out. The file name automatically includes the date and the time you took it, which is amazing for staying organized. And naturally, from the Files app, you can just drag and drop them into an email or upload them anywhere you want.
And there we go. We've covered the lightning-fast shortcuts, the powerful main tool, and exactly where to find all your captures. Let's just do a quick final recap to make sure it all sticks.
So remember, if you need it done fast, it's all about those keyboard shortcuts, Control plus Show Windows. If you want the most power and features, especially video, you're going to open the Screen Capture Tool. And if you're on a tablet or using a different keyboard, you've got those physical buttons. You are officially a Chromebook screenshot expert.
Hey, if this little guide helped you out and you feel like you've mastered a new Chromebook skill, do me a favor and hit that like button. And of course, subscribe so you don't miss out on more simple explainers just like this one. Thanks so much for watching.